As the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery has deepened, India Today has accessed sensational inside details of Sushant's personal life. This is coming from a man who was the last person to see Sushant alive. His cook, Neeraj Singh. He has spilled the beans now to the Mumbai police, and here is how he spilled the beans.
A star on the rise. A shocking death. And a sordid saga. As probe deepens into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, India Today accesses a sensational inside scoop of Sushant's personal life. Actor's housekeeper Neeraj Singh, in an statement to Mumbai police, has spilled the beans on what happened just days before Sushant's death. Neeraj claims that he had rolled marijuana cigarettes for Sushant 2 days before the actor died. And after his death, when he saw the box which contained the drugs, it was empty. The man, Neeraj Singh, who is making this claim, was last to Sushant alive and the first to see him dead.
14 को मॉर्निंग को 14 जून को वो 6 बजे उठे थे उस दिन। तो फिर वो आए 8 बजे के आसपास, तो मैं उनके गेट से सफाई कर रहा था। तो सर बाहर निकले जैसे गेट से बिल्कुल, तो सर ने मेरे को बोला, नीरज मुझे ठंडा पानी ला के दो। मैंने कहा ओके सर। मैं फटाफट भागता हुआ गया, मैं ठंडा पानी लेके आया, ठंडा पानी उनको दिया। देने के बाद सर ने पानी पिया, तो जस्ट मुझे गिलास दिया। तो देने के बाद बोला सब ठीक है ना, मामला नीचे। मैंने कहा हाँ सर कुछ ठीक है, ओके। हल्का फेस में स्माइल दिया, तो उसके बाद वो रूम पे चले गए।
On July 31st, when we spoke to Neeraj, he narrated what exactly happened on June 8th, the day when Riya left Sushant's apartment.
मेरे को बोला उन्होंने, मेरे को कपड़े पैक कर दो, ये सूटकेस में डाल दो और नीचे गेट पे छोड़ दो। मैंने कहा ठीक है, तो जैसा बोलते हम वैसा करते हैं। कपड़े वपड़े डाल दिया हमने, मैंने पैक करके, और कपड़े भी थे उनके। उन्होंने बोला मैं बाद में आके लूँगी, ये कपड़े डालो, मतलब डाल के नीचे रख दिया। तो मैंने पैक करके यहाँ रख दिया, तो मैंने चली गई थी।
In his statement to Mumbai police, Neeraj Singh has revealed that the actor would host parties once or twice every week at his residence where alcohol was consumed and marijuana cigarettes were smoked. Samuel Haukip was the person who would roll marijuana cigarettes for the late actor. In the last 3 days, Neeraj Singh had rolled marijuana cigarettes for the actor, and these were kept in a cigarette box kept in a cupboard near the staircase. After the actor's death, this cigarette box was found empty. India Today has accessed the statement exclusively, and the statement also reveals that Riya Chakravarti was very angry on June 8th when she asked Neeraj to pack her bags and left with her brother Shovik. Neeraj, in an interview to India Today, had not revealed this information, which has been accessed by India Today in a statement given to Mumbai police. With camera person Sachin Sawant and Sahil Joshi, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.